email marketing WordPress. In this video, we're going to be talking about Brevo and how you can use this amazing email marketing software with your WordPress and obviously do email marketing towards and from your WordPress as well. Now, if you want to start things off, what you are going to want to do is, first of all, obviously you're going to make sure that you have an account on both of these and you're fully set it up and accessed. Now, on WordPress, you are going to want to make sure to have an upgraded plan, okay? Because if your WordPress plan is not upgraded, you will not be able to, get a proper regimen of Brevo. So do make sure to go ahead and upgrade your plan to at least the business plan, okay? Because under that plan, you won't be able to do much for yourself, all right? Now, once we're over here, firstly, what you're going to want to do is you're going to come here to plugins and integrations, okay? And once you're in plugins and integrations, here you can see in the first section, you're going to see WordPress by Brevo. Now, in the case you don't find this, you can simply just search up WordPress and it's going to come right here. Now, once we have WordPress in this section here, it brings us to WordPress plugin, install and use the WordPress plugin for Brevo. So right down here, it says before you start, gather the following information prior to installation. So your Brevo account credentials, your API v3 key. Now, if you don't know what that is, you can check their dedicated article on learning how to find your API key in your Brevo account and your WordPress website admin access, obviously. All right. So first of all, let's go ahead and get our API key. Okay. An API key is a unique identifier, etc., etc. Now it says, where can you find your API? You can find it is SMTP and API keys. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here into our SMTP and API. And once we are over here, obviously, we're going to go to API keys and we are right here. Okay. We can create our API key right here by giving it a name. So let's say I'm going to call it that. Let's go ahead and click on generate. And there we go. Now I have my API key copied in my clipboard. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go over ahead to its guide. It says to install the WordPress plugin. You're going to go into your WordPress plugin, search for newsletter SMTP email marketing and subscribe forms by Brevo. Okay. So basically it's going to look like this. Okay. And once you have found this newsletter SMTP email marketing thing, you're going to install it, activate it, and obviously you're going to go into your Brevo home where it's going to ask you to activate your API v3 key. Okay. Now I'm going to do exactly what it tells me. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to come over here to my WordPress. I'm going to go over to my plugins and simply over here, you're going to go ahead and write Brevo. And once you write in Brevo, here you have it, newsletter, SMTP, email marketing, etc., etc. So again, as I stated, you are going to need at least a business plan to do this for yourself. So upgrade your account to the business plan, upgrade and activate these things. And once you've done that, just go ahead, add the API key that we just copied off of here, and you are good to go. And after that, you can simply synchronize your accounts as the setup goes on. And that is pretty much about it for this video. So if you enjoyed it, please do make sure to drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing all of you in the very next video. This was how you can connect your Brevo email marketing to your WordPress. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.